What we have here is a dissected light switch. I figured I'd take it apart since it was broken, by which I meant the circuit always remained closed, or anything it was connected to stayed on no matter what position the toggle was. So I took it apart and figured out what was the problem, although since I had to hacksaw it and get the rivets off, that means that it's no longer up to code, which means I can't install it anywhere. But still, this is a fun exercise. I can still put it on something small and battery powered, such as a flashlight. So there's the rocker and the spring arm. As you can see, the problem was that one of the axles on the side of the toggle broke off, so I had to re-glue it with E6000. And so we slide it in. What we'll try to do is get it right. Feels like I've got it, so keep it there. Stick the strap on. And then I put screws where the rivets were. That's why it's no longer. That's another reason why it's no longer up to code, because this is very haphazard. So if you do this, please do not install it anywhere in your house. Things can go wrong, but still it's fun to play with. Maybe connect it to a flashlight. I'll make another video of the results once I've screwed it together. So enjoy.